Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install eCut 7.4 for Coreldraw 2026. Before downloading eCut, make sure that Coreldraw is already installed on your PC. Once Coreldraw is installed, open your web browser and search for eCut for Coreldraw free. In the search results, click on the official eCut website, which should appear near the top of the results. Once the website opens, click the purple download button. After clicking the button, you will be redirected to another page. On that page, click the purple download button again. The download should start automatically. Once the file has finished downloading, open it. If the downloaded file is in zip format, extract or open the zip file and then start the installation process. The installation may take a few moments, so wait until the process is completely finished. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now, open Coreldraw. For this tutorial, I'll type some sample text, such as install NFX. After that, go to the Tools menu and select Options. In the Options window, click Workspaces. On the left side of the window, click the Import button. Now navigate to the folder where eCut was installed. Go to your C drive and find the eCut folder. Open the eCut folder, then open the Coreldraw toolbar folder. Next, select the folder corresponding to your installed version of Coreldraw. In my case, I'm using Coreldraw 2026, so I'll select the 2026 folder. After selecting the appropriate Coreldraw version, choose your preferred language. I'll select English and then click Open. Back in the Workspace settings, select Current Workspace and import the workspace. Once the workspace has been imported successfully, you should see the eCut toolbar appear in the upper left area of Coreldraw. And that's it! eCut 7.4 is now ready to use with Coreldraw 2026. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.